welcome to the channel. Today I have a review for you guys. It is going to be of a headband wig from Unice. Or is that Unice? Unice. They have sent me a headband wig to try out, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm opening up the package now. And this is the hair. So they sent me, oh, I don't think they have my hair. I believe it was a 22 inch, let me double check, 22 inch wave. Taking that off. This is so pretty, guys. So pretty. I'm starting to wonder though if it's gonna blend in my hair. Okay, so I feel like I might have to, straighten out the front of my hair because this is really straight and silky and my hair is not. So I might just do just the front of my hair, flat iron it before I pull it back, and then I will try this on. So the cap, you can tell it's good quality. You guys can really tell it's good quality. And then this, it's kind of nice and silky. I really like it, you guys. It's kind of a natural black color, so it's not like jet black. Maybe a little bit lighter than my hair. So, But we are going to try this on. I really love this wave, guys. And I absolutely love the length of it. It's really long. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten out the front of my hair and try it on, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I did go and just double check on the hair. It's actually a 24 inch body wave, half wig or headband wig, however you want to call it. But yeah, so that's what they sent to me. So right now I have plugged up my flat irons, and I am about to just straighten out my hair a little bit, just the front, not the whole thing, just so that it can blend a little bit better, because I feel like it's not going to blend in this natural state. So I'm just going to straighten out the front a little bit. I'm going to give myself some baby's hairs, looking all young and stuff. And then I'm going to put the hair on. So just stay tuned, and you guys will see the end result in just a moment. Oh, y'all see that? I know y'all see this, what I'm saying. That's definitely great. Wow. Wow. I ain't even gonna worry about it. I knew it was gonna come one day. I just didn't know it was gonna be this soon. All right, so now for the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair on. Whoa, this is super cute. Okay. Oh, what's fucking here? There we go. Wow, guys. This is, oh goodness. Okay, my little ball in the back might be too big. Okay, guys. Yeah, I would say it's definitely true to length. Like, this is definitely 24 inches. This is very long, but it is really cute. Now the one thing I did like about this company, about Unice Hair, is that they sent me, you guys, look at all of these headbands. And there's one in here with some lashes. Wow, these are nice lashes too. Oh, goodness. Can you guys see that? Yeah, these are nice lashes. Like, usually when they send lashes with wigs, they be like these are nice. Like, I will actually wear these. And then it came with this headband, this green one, which is cute. It also came with this headband, which is like a white green kind of type. It came with this one, this one, this one, and this one. You guys, that's a lot. Like, some companies, when they send you the headband wig, they don't even send you a headband. Like, having all those headbands is a bonus, because if you have multiple headband wigs, you can wear, all of them. So this one, like, it's a little bit smaller, which I actually like, because I don't like a really big headband. So I'm gonna try this red one on. You guys, this is so cute. I really like it. And also, I also like this black and white one. I'm gonna do this one next. I would say this cup is a little bit small. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. It's a little small. And it could be because I did not properly tie my hair down in the back. That could be my fault, but I have worn my other headband wigs the same way, just my hair pulled back and then the wig cap kind of secures it down. And I haven't had any issues with like the back part showing. So I mean, but other than that, everything else is nice. So if you have a lot of hair, you might have to braid your hair for this one. This one might look better with your hair braided in the back. I don't feel like it looks bulky or, you know, big right here where my little ball is, but so that's a plus. It doesn't look like a big knot right there, but just, you know, for your own security, you might want to actually braid your hair underneath this one. Or, you know, if you have longer hair, you need to braid it. You guys, I really love this. This hair is beautiful. I'm gonna pull it up for you guys. Hopefully you can't see the back, but I want to show you guys how it looks pulled up. You guys, yeah, I love this. I really do. Love, 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 love. I think for this one, I actually think I like it on the sides more. Like some of my headband wigs, I think it looks better like in the back. But this one, I feel like it looks, because of the length. I'm like, I need to pull this up so, you know, y'all can see all this hair. Okay. Yeah, but that is pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, one thing I do like about this company is that they do provide a lot of headbands to go with their wigs. I believe that this quality is very nice. Like the hair doesn't have a smell. Well, it has a light smell, but it doesn't really have a strong smell or anything like that. It just smells like regular hair. I love this length that they sent. Yeah, I'm overall very satisfied with this hair, and I would definitely purchase from them. Like just look at how nice this hair is. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. No complaints. You guys want to see the top? Like, you can't see the tracks or anything up there. Yeah, overall, I say it's good. If you guys are thinking about purchasing this hair, I do recommend it. Like, it's nice. It's very nice. Very nice. So, thanks again for watching Nakia Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, or if you got anything out of it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can get notified when I have other reviews of other hair or other products that I'm looking at or trying out. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks again. I can't stop rubbing this hair. Like, what is this? I'm trying to stop, but I can't stop rubbing this hair. But yeah, thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.